Lucky episode 13. So remember in episode 3, I bought a 50 horsepower Honda engine, and it was great. Remember, we did some test runs, it was reliable, it was powerful. Remember, it was slightly more than the 7.5 to 35 horsepower originally suggested by the manufacturer of the CaraCruiser. Well, I don't think it was powerful enough. So I took it to LC Marine for a service, ready to sell it. They were super helpful and thorough in getting it prepared so that I had peace of mind that the new owner would be happy with it. Unfortunately, it didn't go quite to plan. A spark plug snapped off in the cylinder head, turning what was meant to be a simple service into a teardown and rebuild. Luckily, it wasn't a big deal for Lee, and he sorted the broken spark plug, had the head skimmed, and rebuilt it all with genuine bits. It's now back to rude health and ready to move on. In the meantime, I spotted this Suzuki 115 horsepower motor on eBay. So I gave them a call to ask some questions and arrange a viewing.
Hello?
Hi Simon, it's Barclay. How are you doing?
Very well, yourself?
Yeah, not too bad. It's now a good time.
Yeah, no problem, mate. It's pop outside.
When did it have its last service?
It has a service every March.
Every
Apart
March?
from COVID, every March has had fuel filters, like the service pack that you buy. So, water pump, spark plugs, oil filter, fuel filter. All right, Ian, I'll talk to you during the week when you're ready, yeah?
Yeah, sounds good.
Time, yeah?
All right, brilliant. Thanks, Simon.
Cheers.
Speak
Bye-bye.
soon. Bye. Simon arranged to meet me up near Felixstowe to take it for a run. He's the equipment manager for a diving club near Ipswich.
A membership fee that gives us entitlement to the pool and everything else. Everybody has virtually their own equipment, but for trainees and everyone else we have equipment for them. So if you join, we charge you £100 a year for not quite full equipment, but BCD, regs, tanks, fins, mask. Then it costs us £150 to get the regs serviced every year anyway. So it's non-profit making again, but we're trying to encourage people into the club, do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah,
yeah.
sounds good. Talk about the price a little bit.
You can have a go.
Simon let me knock a couple of £100 off the asking price, and we headed back to his place to take the engine off. service records and handbook and
It's got
stuff.
like a massive book.
The loom. When you are the loom. Oh, that is well greasy. Greasy McGreaserson.
Oh, you know what? Like transom.
Ah. It's time to pump it up. Do I pump it up? The engine looks to be in pretty good condition overall, partly owing to its apparent 300 hours or so, but I can't help but give all the plastics under the hood a good clean up. Interior shampoo might seem unconventional, but it does a good job of cutting through grime and giving a natural finish. I'm not a fan of super shiny engine plastics. I gave the engine hood a quick once over as well, just to see what we're working with. And I think the engine has potential to look pretty close to new. I'll be stripping all the covers off the leg and giving everything a real detail before fitting to the cruiser. As always, thanks for watching. If you aren't subscribed, why not? It's free and really helps the channel. See you next time, when I have some even more exciting news.